Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. And let me just go ahead and say, this is going to be an epic week for penny shopping. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so like I said, we have a lot to get to in this video. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, keep in mind that these new clearance markdowns and penny items will be effective starting on Tuesday, May the 23rd. So we're going to start off with our new clearance markdowns. First up, we have all of our Mother's Day items going down to 70% off. So that does include the Mother's Day seasonal items, the pop-up cards, as well as the Mother's Day socks. Alright guys, now next up we have our yellow dot toys already dropping down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, May the 23rd. Now I have checked out a couple of my Dollar General stores, and mostly what I'm finding are the yellow star toys or the blue dot toys. So I will be checking out a few other DGs this week, but if you guys have any pictures that you would like to send in and share with our crazy couponing family, I would really appreciate it. You can send it into my email or my Instagram. All that information is in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so now we're going to roll on into our penny list for this week at Dollar General. And remember, the number one rule of penny shopping is that we do not ask employees about penny items. All you have to do is go into the store, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video, scan them with your Dollar General app. Of course, make sure that your correct store location is set, and if the item scans at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. Alright guys, so first up we have our 2023 calendars going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, May the 23rd. So look high, look low, look all around your store, because I don't know about you guys, but I have been finding these scattered out everywhere, especially back in the regular stationery section. Alright guys, next up we have our back to school stationery category going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, May the 23rd. Now this one I am very excited for, because I have already kind of scoped out my stores, and I know that a lot of this stuff is being overlooked at the Dollar Generals. Now, speaking of back to school, we also have our back to school hardware category going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, May the 23rd. Now, this category isn't your typical back to school items. There are a lot of lights and things like that included in this category. So, I do want to go ahead and let you all know that I have already put together a visual video for both of the back to school categories. However, like I said, your girl has been working. I have been out scoping out the stores, and I have found a few more visuals that I need to share with you all. Basically, what I'm going to do is just a quick updated version of our back to school visuals. So be on the lookout for that. I should have that video up no later than Sunday evening. All right, next up, we also have our fall and winter hardware category going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, May the 23rd. So this is the category where we have all of those gift sets. There are a few hardware items that y'all need to be on the lookout for, but this is one category that I do want to warn y'all. Make sure that you scan before you go up to the register. Now, also on Tuesday, May the 23rd, we have our winter hardware category also going down to 1 penny. So in this category, we have things like the hot hands, the ice scrapers for your car windshields. We also have the window insulation kits. So a lot of really good items in this category as well. And I will be putting together a separate video for our fall and winter hardware as well as our winter hardware category. So I'm going to pair those up together, put them in one video for you all. So be on the lookout for that. All right, now moving right along, we also have our gray Dot Apparel category going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, May the 23rd. Now keep in mind that this category does include those fruit of the loom clothing items. So we have zip up jackets, we have little hoodies, sweatshirts, pants, we have men's and women's sizes, plus we have all the toboggans, the scarves, and the gloves. All right, next up, we also have our blue Dot apparel and accessories going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, May the 23rd. So keep in mind with this category, even if your stores do not carry the clothing items any longer, you can still find the blue Dot accessories, and there are a ton of these, and they're everywhere at the front of the store, at the back of the store, mixed in with the toys. You just never know. All right, and last but certainly not least, we have the red triangle socks going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday. So for the last 3 categories, we've got the gray Dot apparel, the blue Dot apparel and accessories, and the red triangle socks. I do have some updated pictures and UPC codes that I want to share with you all. So I will be putting together a video that covers all 3 of these categories since those are all clothing related. All right, now before you all go, here's a quick cheat sheet of all of the categories that will be pinning out starting on Tuesday, May the 23rd. And like I said, don't forget to be on the lookout for those 3 visual videos that I'm going to throw together for us. We're going to have one for the back to school items, one for the fall and winter hardware, and then one for all of the clothing and accessory categories. So, of course, before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and it is absolutely free. You know what else is free? Hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a smile down in the comment section below, and all of those things really do help me out. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.